Sourdough bread and AI. What do they have in common?
Engaging creativity.
Okay, both begin with something small that keeps growing, learning, and evolving. A sourdough starter can be 100 years old, taking in new flour and water each time, growing into something new. AI does the same with creative work, but while everybody loves the smell of fresh bread, we're a little less comfortable with AI taking our creativity without clear boundaries. I mean, at least Japan gives you the rules you can understand. Everyone else is sort of sitting on the sidelines waiting for the courts to figure it out. Hey, I'm Declan Dunn, and this is the AI Optimist. The battle for creative work, it's not techs versus artists. It's about whether we both value the starter and what grows from it. Like sourdough requires regular feeding, AI needs continuous training data with fresh data, not just now, but 100 years from now. In a future that's not going to be like the Wild West AI of the past few years. And that's why the UK's Make It Fair campaign, launched this week, was another voice shouting the same thing. Creative industries in many countries are fighting back against rules that let AI use copyrighted work without permission or payment, and often without involvement of anyone who owns the content. They're not anti-tech, they're pro-creator, demanding the obvious: consent and compensation. See, bakers, well, most of them, openly share their starters as gifts. AI companies in many countries took creative work without asking. We're not saying stop, we're just saying think before you act. Because this battle between creators and AI isn't just playing out in studios and these corporate boardrooms between lawyers. It's at the international level. And two countries are taking completely different approaches to the same problem.